Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be something different. Today's not a vlog. I'm actually going to be doing Nessa Barrett's beauty secrets for Vogue, and I'm gonna be doing her makeup today because one, I'm going to her concert in February, so I'm super excited for that. But I wanted to try like a different makeup style today because I've been doing the same makeup for God knows how long, and I kind of just wanted to switch it up today, so I will be doing that. Before I start doing my makeup, I am going to be doing my eyebrows first because I have not done my eyebrows in so long. Well, the last time I actually did my eyebrows was... yeah, last time I did my eyebrows was when I got my eyebrows off. So I'm gonna start with that first just to clean it up. Okay, now that I'm done with my eyebrows, oh, I touched my nose and now it's super red. I actually look like I look like Rudolph now, but okay, now before I even start anything, I'm giving a disclaimer. I am not using the products that she uses because last I checked, I am not just gonna buy a bunch of makeup, and mind you, expensive makeup, to do a video. Maybe down the line, yes, but as of right now, absolutely not. So I'm just gonna start with my own primer because I have different skin than NESSA Barrett, at least I think I do. The video, I haven't played it yet, but she does start off with skincare, and I already did my own skincare catered to my skin type, which is oily but also dry, which is not really fun. Yeah, as you can see, I definitely put it around my entire face. As you can tell, I have put my primer, but I'm also going to be using a different primer specifically for my nose, and I don't think, like, my nose is very dry, but it also gets oily, which is really annoying, but it is what it is. We're gonna officially start the video.
My first step is the brows. I use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel.
Okay, so the first thing that she does is brow gel first, which kind of scares me because, as you guys can tell, I still have my eyebrow cut off. So, and I've also never put eyebrow gel before doing my actual eyebrows, but let's see how this works. Okay, so now that I'm done with the brow gel, we are going to move on and see what she does next.
I go in with this random freckle pen.
Okay, so she does not, I'm actually a little scared. She doesn't fill in her eyebrows. So I'm just gonna lightly fill in my eyebrows because I don't think I could go anywhere without doing my eyebrows done. Because her next step, she just goes in with a freckle pen. I don't have a freckle pen, so I'm gonna do some makeshift freckles. This is definitely not my best idea, doing this on a day that I am actually late for school. Class is gonna start in like 30 minutes, and it takes me about an hour to get there. That's fine. So now we're gonna move on to the freckles because I do have a little bit of freckles, but I usually just cover them up because it's not like I have enough freckles to be like, hey guys, look at my freckles. Yeah, my freckles are actually super cute. Because I don't. This might be dumb, but I think the smartest move I could do is just use my eyebrow thing. I'm not doing anything crazy, but we're just gonna leave the freckles there.
Contour powder kit by Anastasia. Just do a teeny dab in all of the ones down here.
Okay, so she only does a line of contour, and I'm actually super nervous. This isn't even funny, but I'm just gonna do the exact same thing that she did. She only does like a small little line and then rubs it in. So that looks really crazy on camera and in person, but I'm just gonna do the exact same thing and try to like blend it out. I think that looks, apparently this makes it look lifted. I'm just gonna keep doing what's going on. I'm actually really nervous for this, how this is gonna turn out, because I actually haven't watched this video before, but we'll see how it goes.
My favorite blush. I first go in with the Benetint. Especially being blonde now, I love that sun-kissed look.
So she uses liquid blush, however, she uses Benetint, and I haven't used liquid blush in a minute now because I decided that I was gonna start using powder blush so that it could actually stay all day. She basically just like splotches it around her face, and then she goes in with her fingers.
Dior blush looks so cute.
And then she goes in with powder blush on top, which God bless, because I don't think I would have been able to last all day without at least setting it. So I'm not gonna use a lot because she doesn't use a lot. So I'm just gonna use whatever powder blush I have left on my brush and basically just tap it into and on top of what I already have. I think that's okay. We're just gonna leave it at that and see what she does next.
This next step that I do, I feel like makes my natural makeup almost look more glam, and it's all about the lips. I use 2 lip liners. I go in with the Intense. Go directly on the line. My lips were so thin. Growing up, when I would smile, I'd have no lip. The second I turned 17, I got lip filler. Then over time, I became insecure about my lip filler. Now I feel very pleased with them. The lighter Pillow Talk, and I kind of just fill in my whole lip and kind of blend in the darker one.
Okay, so she actually goes in with 2 different lip liners. However, I think this is more brown than it is pink, and then I have just my brown lip liner. So I'm just gonna put lip balm in the middle of my lips, that way this sticks better. But I'm just gonna take this one and trace. Like, you guys see what I said? It's more brown than pink. I'm just gonna keep doing that. So now she just goes in with an eyelash curler and does some mascara. So here's the eyelashes. Not gonna go in with another thing. I'll probably go in with another coat by the end of the video, but let's see how she finishes off.
The last step is perfume. I use a hair perfume first.
So looks like she finishes off with perfume. So I'm just gonna go in really quickly with one of my Bath and Body Works mists and just put that on and put it on my hair as well, because she also uses a hair perfume. However, I don't have that, so I'm just gonna finish it off. So now I'm just gonna take this off and I'll be back in just a moment. Okay guys, so here's the finished Beauty Secrets makeup. Honestly, I like it, but would I ever do it again willingly? Maybe. I think for the summer, yes, but for right now, I don't really know how to feel about it. However, I do like the fact that I'm not going out with a ton of makeup on me, but I really like it. I think I'm just gonna add some highlighter and then head out the door. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope that you guys like this video. And although it was extremely chaotic, it was still really fun to film because I love Nessa Barrett. And just hearing her talk was actually really funny because she was literally just talking about the most random things. But I love Vogue Secrets. One day I'm gonna be famous enough and cool enough to be on there. So hope you guys enjoy the journey of me becoming the best and most famous person on the planet, which might not happen, but it's always good to talk good about yourself. But I really hope you guys like this week's video, and I'll see you guys next week with another banger. Love you guys.